I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use paddle shifters Ford Mustang. Start by selecting Sport or Manual mode, place your hands at 9 and 3, and keep eyes on the road. Practice gentle pulls to feel gear engagement and avoid holding paddles during shifts. Learn the shift logic by matching engine sound to desired RPM and gradually increase speed as you gain confidence with gear timing and smoothness. Use the right paddle to upshift when engine RPM approaches the recommended range, typically before redline. Pull and release deliberately to let the transmission complete the change, and avoid holding the paddle, which can confuse the system. Watch engine sound and tachometer to build instinct for timing, and practice in low-traffic areas until shifts become natural. Always be ready to take over automatic control by selecting drive or pressing downshift if needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort, durability, and a lifetime warranty. Perfect for long drives and spirited commutes, and it makes your pedal feel better too. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Downshift with the left paddle when slowing or approaching corners to use engine braking and maintain control. Shift down one gear at a time to keep the drivetrain smooth and avoid sudden drops that unsettle the car. If your Mustang supports throttle blips or rev matching, use brief throttle input to align revs and reduce jerk. Practice coordinated braking and downshifting to improve stability and confidence on varied road grades and turns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.